Are you not getting enough hot water or no hot water at all? Is your hot water heater leaking, making noises, or giving off an odd odor? These are some of the most common problems that homeowners face with their water heaters. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's important that you have a qualified and licensed local plumber inspect your water heater ASAP. Your water heater is the most expensive component in your home's plumbing system, so don't ignore a small problem now that could lead to more costly repairs down the line. We've helped many other local homeowners repair and replace their hot water heaters over the years. If you're having a problem with your hot water heater, give us a call now and we'll come out and take a look at it ASAP.